months I've been asking you out. You turn me down.
But I told you I'm not interested. I have a boyfriend.
You get it?
I know jail that one. I not jail him at all.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
There's somebody I know. I have a boyfriend.
Give me my sugar.
Hey, baby.
My bag of smell.
Hey.
My antelope. Sorry. My bag of fries.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
You know the love I have for you is expensive. So that's why I decided to be calling you all these expensive things.
You didn't tell me you were coming.
I don't have to feel to come and see my sugar plum. So life is all about surprises. That's why I bought you this.
Normal now.
Oh, wow. Thank you. It's my favorite.
Of course. I know it's your favorite.
Yeah.
Enjoy yourself. Bros, well done.
Give me some.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Come on, drop this thing. He's your using Tiger battery. Baby, who is he?
Baby, this is the guy I've been telling you about now. He's been disturbing me for a long time now.
Scope it. I don't want to ever see you in this. Baby, we'll talk on phone.
But baby, this is the time to fight for our love now.
Ma?
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Baba?
Go! Baby!
Ordinary small love that I have showed, I've never seen our parents. They want to kill me with. How do I live the love?
As I was saying,